The story starts before the hatch at the breeder farms. Feel-learn raw material is the egg. Specialized breeder farms produce fertile eggs with strict genetics and care. Every shell is inspected before it ever leaves the farm. Biosecurity begins at the source because microbes travel fast. Fertile eggs are living cargo, and temperature swings can ruin development. Even vibration is controlled, strapped, stabilized, timed. Feel-learn the journey is engineered. The hatchery, the first step is keeping the outside outside. Feel-learn containment and control. From this moment, the factory takes over. Feel-learn process control begins. Before incubation, eggs rest stabilizing to the hatchery climate. Feel-learn patience is part of manufacturing. No bare skin, no shortcuts because eggs absorb risk. Feel-learn human contact is controlled. Connection to next gloved hands steer carts in unloading choreography. Thousands arrive at once handled like glass. Feel-learn scale with gentleness. Eggs must reach a stable internal temperature before incubation starts. Feel-learn micro-precision matters. Everything that touches an egg gets washed, rinsed, and sanitized. Feel-learn contamination control is relentless. A thin disinfecting layer reduces microbes without damaging the shell. Feel-learn delicate balance. Cracks and deformities are removed, and one weak shell can spread bacteria. Feel-learn quality starts early. Weight and uniformity predict hatch strength. Feel-learn measurement without spectacle. Handling reveals what the shell hides, life or nothing at all. Automation sorts at speed without squeezing or shaking. Placement matters. Embryos develop best in a consistent orientation. Feel-learn small habits create big outcomes. Trays stack into racks, dense storage, designed for perfect airflow gaps. Feel-learn geometry supports life. Setters are controlled ecosystems built to hold thousands of eggs at once. Once sealed, the environment becomes the incubator job, not the weather. Feel-learn isolation and control. Air must reach every egg evenly. No hot corners, no dead zones. Feel-learn uniformity is everything. Eggs are turned on schedule to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell. Feel-learn motion keeps life viable. Humidity controls water loss. Too much or too little changes the hatch. Feel-learn moisture is a dial. Connection to next vapor flow links to vent louvers managing gas exchange. Ventilation balances oxygen and carbon dioxide as embryos grow. Feel-learn incubation is respiration management. Technicians verify sensors because one bad probe can mislead the whole room. Feel-learn trust, but verify. Biosecurity is measured, not assumed. Feel-learn cleanliness has auditing. Connection to next sampling ends and candling returns for mid-cycle pull. Mid-cycle checks remove clears and early losses to protect the rest. Anything non-viable exits fast, sealed, contained, tracked off camera.
Near the end, eggs move to hatchers where turning stops and humidity rises. Feel-learn phase change and process. Connection to next conveyor brings eggs to overhead basket swap.
Hatcher baskets give ducklings space to emerge safely. Feel-learn design follows biology. Now the goal is simple: stable warmth, high humidity, steady air. Feel-learn final countdown. Hatching begins with a pip, one tiny breakthrough calcium. Feel-learn awe at emergence. Connection to next, the pip expands into a longer zip line. Then the cocky Campbell duckling zips, cutting a line around its own doorway. Feel-learn struggle is physical. Drying is part of the system. Air turns fragile wet down into insulation. Feel-learn hatch continues after emergence. After drying baskets, feed the post-hatch line fast but careful. Curves, dividers, brushes built to reduce stress and prevent jams. Feel Learn Welfare Engineered. Quality sorting removes weak ducklings' health first. Feel Learn standards protect downstream farms. Counting is automated. Accuracy matters when shipments are massive.
Vaccination is applied quickly and evenly, early protection for the growing farms. Feel Learn Preventive Health at Scale.
Even in a mega facility, recovery time is built into the flow. Feel Learn Calm within throughput. Transport crates are designed for air first because heat builds fast in crowds. Loading is gentle, consistent, minimizing stress before travel. Feel Learn Humane Handling under speed. 4 trucks, ducklings wait in a controlled climate, stable and quiet. Feel Learn Temperature Management continues. Connection to next cart train enters the truck interior like a moving incubator. The truck becomes a moving incubator, air temperature timing. Feel Learn Delivery is part of manufacturing. Between waves, the facility resets, wash, foam, scrub, rinse. Feel Learn cycles repeat only if cleaning is perfect. Connection to next foam is rinsed away to stainless shine. Clean surfaces reduce disease risk more than any single gadget. Feel Learn Old School Hygiene wins. Drying completes the reset. Moisture left behind becomes tomorrow problem. Every day the same precision, because farms are waiting. An industrial process ending in something unmistakably alive.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.